It is always a good day when companies send you care packages and products to try out. What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, it's gonna be a good day because we have a care package from our boys over at, I really like to start asking what their names are before doing these videos. Silex, I don't really know how to pronounce, but we got a care package from them today, and I'm super excited to try it out. The things that the boys sent us today, boys, that was just so many boys in one sentence, is the Wipe Rewind, which takes away all grease and wax away from your paint, so then you can wipe it off with this ceramic pad rag thing. So essentially what they sent me was these newer wipe things, and what these wipes do is, instead of like spraying your car down to get all the wax and stuff off, you take the wipe out of this bag, wipe your car down, everything comes off. No need for clay bars or anything because you have this wipe. And honestly, they told me to give a very honest review. I'm a little bit skeptical because that sounds like too good to be true. That's all in just a wipe and one easy packet, because that seems really easy to do. A lot of newer companies are now doing ceramic coats that are like hybrid, so it's a spray on wipe off thing. And this company kind of went to the next level and they did the ceramic coat in a wipe, which again sounds a little bit weird and a little bit too good to be true. But hey, they sent it to me. We're gonna review it, we're gonna try it out, and we're gonna see how it goes. So the first thing they suggest doing is cleaning the car. So we're at the car wash, and I'm in the little garage thing, and for the boys real quick. It's so good. So we're gonna quickly wash the car right quick, and then we're gonna go back home, try out the rewind thing, which is just take all the wax and grime off the car, and then we'll get the ceramic coat in the car. That was my first time ever going to this car wash, and honestly, I don't think I'd ever go back again. Besides their soap smelling really good, there's no water pressure at all, so like, it was hard to get things off of the car. So pretty much I just soaped the car, rinsed the car, and dried the car as much of my ability as possible with what I had here, just to get whatever I had on there that's now off. You know what I'm saying? So like bugs and stuff I got off. So now we're gonna go back to the house, and then we're gonna start I'm definitely thinking this is Silex. I think Silex makes sense. I think it's marketing. I think it was genius. Silex. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I know about me. And personally, I'm not a big fan of detailing cars, and that's why I've never done like a paint correction or a clay bar on this car, because honestly, I'm not really interested in that. I'd rather do like mods and performance things and making it look cool instead of like making it look shiny. So that's why I'm actually kind of curious at how this stuff works. So for step one is the rewind. That's what it's called, right? And you're supposed to just wipe it on and just kind of take all the wax off. I'm not really sure how it works. I'm not sure how much pressure you need. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be using, oh, it says use gloves. And don't drink this, guys. Whatever you guys do not drink it. So I guess I'm gonna start rewinding and doing this, but I need gloves first, so I gotta open up the Civic. She's kind of glassy, but not the glassiest, so hopefully that gets fixed. So we are gonna try these new products, and I just found out the name. It's Silex. So the first time it's not Silex, it's Silex. So we're gonna try it. So step one, the thing we're gonna do is get the rewind, and that strips everything off the car, any sort of grease or any sort of wax that's on the car. Their big claim is one towel wipe thing in here can do the entire car. So we're gonna put that to the test and see if this rewind will do the entire car. So I'm gonna do a little reel of me doing it. So you're gonna wipe it on and then completely wipe it off right away with a clean microfiber. So that's what we're gonna do. So the first thing completely strips things, and you can kind of hear there's no wax on the car whatsoever right now. So right now it is smooth, but it's not like glassy as wax would be, if that makes any sense. So right now the contaminants are supposed to be all off, and it's a little bit streaky, but that's why we do the ceramic coating next. So what you want to do is grab another towel, one that's clean and not used. Grab your other pouch. This is the third time I've lost this pouch already. But you want to grab your other pouch. So the recharge is your money. That's where the magic happens, I think. So this one is supposed to be the ceramic coat. So you do the rewinds to take everything off and prep it for this. This one is the important one. Now I'm hoping this is a deep shine. I'm hoping it makes the water bead right off, but we'll see. So far I like the product because it's super convenient and super easy to use, because it's kind of like a spray but a quarter of the size, not even, it's like a tenth of the size, it just fits in your pocket. That's why I keep losing them. And it's just a wipe on, wipe off situation, and that's super easy and super helpful. With sprays, you have to spray and then buff and spray and then buff. This, you just wipe and then buff. You can do it with 2 hands. Actually, I guess you can do it with the bottle too, but this is smaller and already wet for you. Now I was speeding that up, but it's 5 minutes to do the entire car of just wiping it and wiping it off. 5 minutes, that's all it takes. So I guess 10 minutes probably total to do both kinds of wipes. And I did pick up the trash I dropped, don't you guys worry. So she definitely is shinier than she was before. And you know, feeling it, it does feel smooth. It's not as sticky as it was. So I'm assuming we did it correctly this time. Not the deepest shine ever, but it's definitely a lot cleaner and shinier than it was. And that is always good. And I never realized how much orange peel this paint actually has. Now I know you guys have seen waxing videos and ceramic coating videos before, so I got my cup of water, we got the hood of my car all ceramic coated up, and it does look really good. It is really shiny right now actually. But the thing is with this car, it has super deep pearls, and right now it's not the sunniest, and like, I can see the pearls and all. I'll try to show you on camera, but it's gonna be really tough. I can see the pearls and all, but they're not super deep. Honestly, it always just looks like dirt on camera, but you can kind of see the pearls. So we got my cup of water, and it's not really doing the sliding down thing, but let's see how this looks. It's all coming off, and that's always a good sign. Now, I'm gonna rate this 100% completely honest of how I feel about it off of a few things, and then I guess I'll give you like an average number. So, I'm gonna say ease of use was a 10 out of 10, and I'm gonna say it's easier to use than a bottle of spray because it's just a wet nap that's already wet for you, and it's already just wipe it and go, and that's it. And I think ease of use is very important for a thing like a car show. Let's say you're in an indoor venue or even an outdoor venue and you're like, man, I didn't wash my car. Just pull these out of your back pocket. If you're trying to show off like the inside of your car and your trunk, you don't want to have like detailing bottles in places or have to hide them somewhere. So having this is just rip it, throw it out, wipe it off, done. It's very easy, just 2 little wipes and they fit in your pocket, so it's not hard at all to use. Number 2 is going to be the shine. Now, it's not the sunniest day in the world, and I understand how that could throw things off. So I'm going to give this like a 7 out of 10 because it's not a super deep wet shine like I was expecting. It made the car shinier, yes. It made the car feel like that glassy wax feeling. Not to the extent as I was expecting, but it still did. So I'll give that a 7 out of 10 there. It's not a perfect ceramic coat, I would say, but it's better than like nothing, if that sounded terrible. It's not like a perfect wax job, but it's still a wax job. Number 3 is gonna be that water bead. Now it's not raining, but the water test, I expected more of a bead. And I'm gonna give that like a 7 out of 10 as well, because it's not a complete wax, it was a wet wipe. So I think overall, I'm gonna give this product an 8 out of 10. And I think this product really caters to people that are like doing car shows all the time and don't always have time to wipe or wash their cars. This is safe on vinyl wraps and paint, so like you really can't go wrong. Just buy a couple packs of this and just leave it in your glove box or in your back pocket, and it's just easy wipe and go, and you look clean. Now, I do have a deal for you guys. So if you guys go to their website, and I'm gonna link everything down below into my bio, you guys can get these wipes for free. I believe they're gonna send you one recharge and one rewind and one recharge. All you guys have to do is pay for shipping, as long as you guys put the promo code in TTR Garage. All capital, no spaces, no underscore, just TTR Garage. They will send you them, just pay for shipping, and then you guys can test them for yourself at a very low price of whatever your shipping cost is, because I don't know where you guys live, so I don't know how much your shipping cost is. And honestly, I don't think there's a better deal than that, because it's a product that I've never seen before. I've seen a lot of hybrid ceramic coatings. I've never seen a hybrid ceramic coating wipe, and I just think it's super unique and super cool. So if you guys can please just check them out, use my promo code, just pay for shipping, get and try them yourself. They also do have other products that I do want to try. They have wheel cleaners and other ceramic coating products that look really cool. I believe this is a newer product that they're trying, so any feedback and support you guys have would be, it's just gonna help them. And if you guys do end up getting this product, please tag me on my Instagram, TTR_garage, once you put a post up, because I'm curious to see your guys' results. I put one up on my Instagram, and it was definitely shinier than when I just wash the car regularly, which is always a plus. So think of the product of how you guys want it, but also remember, you guys can pick this up for free. Just pay for shipping if you guys use the code TTR Garage on their website. Definitely show them some love on Instagram, show them some love on their website, buy some products, just love. That's all we're trying to do, boys. We're just trying to love. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So if you guys could please do me a few things: comment, like, and subscribe. That would be huge. Sharing is also a big thing. So please comment, like, subscribe, and share. I'll catch you guys next time. Stay motivated. Peace out and peace. Bam.